Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Fantom. We're currently seeing a huge rally in the altcoin market. Fantom has been pumping since we started 2023. Fantom is up more than 30% in the last 1 month. It's up more than 41% in the last 1 week. The altcoin market has been catching a bit to the upside. But to continue pumping to the upside, how high can Fantom go in this relief rally? Where are we going to see Fantom start facing heavy resistance as we're pumping to the upside? Is it possible for Fantom to get to that $1 region before the end of this relief rally? In this video, we'll be taking a look at the Fantom US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame. We'll also be looking at Fantom's performance against Bitcoin, Fantom's performance against Ethereum, and we'll also take a peek at Fantom's market cap, which has currently pumped to the $889 million region. How long will it take Fantom's market cap to reclaim that magical $1 billion unicorn status? Is it possible for Fantom's market cap to even rally to as high as $2.5 billion before the end of this relief rally? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Guys, the altcoin market has been catching a bit to the upside in 2023. That's a huge improvement from the dump to the downside we saw in 2022, where Fantom lost more than 90% of its value. So even though we're seeing a rally in the altcoin market right now, let's not get carried away. We're still deep down in Goblin Town, deep in the bear market. The altcoin market is rallying up on a daily time frame, on a weekly time frame. We're also seeing a huge rally happen on a monthly time frame. So how high can Fantom go in this relief rally? Fantom was one of the huge gainers in the previous bull run, going from as low as $0.002 in March 2020, rallying up to an all-time high by October 2021, going up more than 169,000% in that time frame. Just $1,000 invested in Fantom in March 2020 would have returned over $1.6 million by October 2021. Altcoins are very profitable that way. When altcoins start pumping to the moon, they can do that very aggressively. That's why we like altcoins. But the downside to them pumping to the moon very aggressively is that when we start dumping to Goblin Town, they can also do that very aggressively. We have seen Fantom dump to Goblin Town in its first full crypto bear market, going from as high as $3.53, dropping to as low as the $0.16 region. Now that's a very strong support level for Fantom right there. We've caught a bounce to the upside of that level. The last time we saw Fantom dropping at that level in July 2021, that led Fantom to pump to new all-time highs. So is history repeating itself right now, or will Fantom get rejected at some point in time in this relief rally and continue dumping to Goblin Town? If you take a look at what Fantom has been doing in the last few weeks, we have seen it gone from that $0.15 level, rallying up to as high as $0.32. It has gone up more than 100% since when Fantom started dumping to Goblin Town. This is the largest rally we have seen in Fantom. The second largest rally was the one we had in 2022 from June to August, where Fantom rallied up more than 103%. Right now, Fantom has blasted through the $0.31 level where we got rejected in November 2022. The first level I'll be paying close attention to see whether Fantom will get rejected in this relief rally will be around the $0.4 region. We saw Fantom get rejected there in August 2022. I'll not be shocked to see Fantom actually get rejected there if we get to that price point in this relief rally. But if Fantom continues pumping to higher prices, we see the altcoin market continue rallying up, Ethereum probably getting to $2,000, Bitcoin pumping above $25,000. I'll not be shocked to see Fantom maybe rally up towards the $0.82 region. From where Fantom is currently trading right now, if we blast above the $0.4 region, we might see Fantom pumping to higher prices, and the next level where Fantom might face any headwind might be around that $0.82 region. From where Fantom is currently trading right now, that will require Fantom to pump an additional 159%. But guys, don't forget, when the relief rally, we're pumping to higher prices. Let's not get carried away thinking we're going to new all-time highs anytime soon. There's always that possibility that Fantom will turn on itself and head back pullback, either to test the $0.15 level, or if we start dumping to Goblin Town, worst case scenario, we're going to see Fantom drop to as low as the $0.05 level, which will require Fantom having a huge dump to the downside. That will mean Fantom will lose an additional 82% of its value. So even though we're going to be holding Fantom till the end of the next bull run, even though I believe we'll see Fantom pumping to higher prices by the end of the next bull run, I believe we'll see Fantom trading above $10, maybe even getting to as high as $14. You want to be very, very careful in the bear market. These bear markets rallies are designed to trick a lot of people to FOMO in, buying at the top, and then we'll start dumping to Goblin Town. So even though you're accumulating deep in the bear market, guys, you also want to remember that dollar cost average is the best way to go, because with all coins, as we're pumping to the upside right now, one little news narrative can take the whole market down, and we'll see us dumping to Goblin Town. So even though I think Fantom can rally to the $0.82 region in this relief rally, I will still be expecting it to dump to Goblin Town at some point in time in 2023. If you take a look at Fantom's performance in the last 1 month, we saw Fantom go from as low as $0.19 to as high as $0.32. Fantom has a market cap of $886 million, a fully diluted market cap of over $1 billion. With a maximum supply of 3.1 billion coins, Fantom has a circulating supply of 2.7 billion coins. Currently ranked 52 on CoinMarketCap, with over 693,000 people having Fantom on their watch list. If you want to get some Fantom in the bear market, getting ready for the next bull run, if you believe we're going to see Fantom pumping to higher prices from the $0.32 region, maybe getting to the $0.82 region before the end of this relief rally, and you want to get some Fantom for yourself, you can get some on Binance, on Coinbase, on Kraken, on Bitfinex, on Bitstamp, and guys, anywhere you get your popular altcoins. Fantom is a very popular altcoin. We have over 693,000 people tracking Fantom on their watch list. If you take a look at Fantom's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, you see that we had a huge crash in the value of Fantom against Bitcoin and against Ethereum. That's what you expect in the bear market, and Fantom is going through its first full crypto bear market. We have seen Fantom dump from the all-time high we set against Bitcoin. We have seen it lose 89% of its value. So even though we're rallying against both Bitcoin and Ethereum in the bear market, you want to be very, very careful. We might still see Fantom continue dumping to Goblin Town immediately this relief rally is over. So as we're pumping to higher prices on the US dollar pairing, and we see Bitcoin and Ethereum pumping, right now the market is still in extreme fear. Don't get carried away by all this pump we're seeing to the upside. We're seeing the market pump to the upside because a lot of people are getting liquidated. A lot of people are betting that the market is going to go down, and right now the market is turning upwards, liquidating all their bearish positions. I'll not be shocked to see Fantom get rejected at any of these important resistance level against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, because guys, at the end of this rally, we might see Fantom continue dumping to Goblin Town against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. I might be wondering, why will Fantom dump against Bitcoin and Ethereum if we're seeing a rally in the altcoin market? Guys, when we start seeing the market dumping, as I'm sure we're going to see the market dumping in the future, you see a lot of people flipping their Fantom for some Bitcoin, for some Ethereum. A lot of people are still scared after the huge dump we've had in 2022. But guys, it's necessary for us to have this kind of dumps in the bear market if we are willing to see another bull run. And I'm not be shocked to see Fantom continue pumping to higher prices. Let's not forget, Fantom is still way off its previous all-time highs. Fantom will have to pump an additional 973% if we are going to see it pump to new all-time highs. If you take a look at Fantom's market cap, it's currently at $886 million. In the previous video, we talked about how the line in the sand for Fantom's market cap is around that $420 million region, and we've seen Fantom's market cap catch a bounce off that level. Now, the next level where Fantom might face some heavy resistance as we continue pumping to higher prices might be around the $1 billion region. And Fantom is just 17% of the $1 billion region. So even though I expect Fantom to continue pumping to higher prices, guys, I repeat, you don't want to get carried away by this relief rally that's happening in the altcoin market. If you want to hold Fantom till it gives you that 10x, 20x, maybe even the next 50x, you have to be willing to hold through the chaos of the bear market, and you have to be willing to hold till we see Fantom setting new all-time highs by the end of the next bull run. If Fantom is able to rally above the $1 billion region, the next point of action for it will be if Fantom can conveniently pass that $2 billion region. For Fantom to pass the $2 billion region on its market cap chart, Fantom will have to rally up an additional 133%. And guys, don't get carried away. There's always a possibility that Fantom will break below the $420 million region on its market cap chart, and we might see it head to Goblin Town, maybe even dropping to as low as $100 million before the end of the bear market. So drop your thoughts in the comment section. Where do you see Fantom heading to in this relief rally? It's currently up 40% in the last 1 week. How high do you see Fantom pumping before the end of this relief rally? Are you still buying some Fantom right now deep in the bear market? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.